Hey, amazing teachers! Let me tell you the story of how my stuffed llama, who once sat silently on a shelf, became the dramatic center of my classroom. All it took was one simple question, in the target language, of course. ¿Cómo se llama? That's it. Suddenly, I had 20 students shouting out ridiculous names ideas in Spanish like Señor Burrito, Chispa, and Papa Fluff. Not only was it hilarious, but I also had 100% engagement and a solid CI story set up for the next 3 days. Here's the move: bring in any plush toy, bonus points for weird ones, introduce it like a new transfer student, and let the students name it using target language suggestions. Write their ideas on the board, talk about them, circle, compare, maybe vote, and boom, you've got buy in, personalized input, and the seeds of a silly story unit. You can then follow up with questions like ¿Dónde vive? ¿Qué le gusta? ¿Tiene una novia? And suddenly your mascot has lore. If you're wondering how activities like this stack up in terms of actual CI effectiveness and not just adorable chaos, take our CI proficiency quiz to find out your level. It's fast, it's fun, and doesn't involve naming any rodents. Check it out at mm.us/CI quiz.